Friend, today we'll write the program to print character in a string using Java. Let's example hello. We find the position of character in a string. Just first we create the class name, then main method, then define the variable a string. Here variable is a string, so and here we want input given by the user, so we use a scanner object. New scanner system.in enter the string next line of code define what string user is enter. String is sc dot for printing a string, find out a string. Next line, then use for loop for define the range of a string. For I is equal to 0, string str dot length, and then print the character of a string at the character at position I plus equal plus formula for a string character is str dot character at I. Then save the program and run the program. Let's suppose enter the print the string character of a string is hello. Then character at position 0 is S, 1 is E, and second is L, and 3 is L, and fourth is O. That's it.